Every cough has a different type, but did you know Ayurveda actually treats the root cause of each naturally? Let's understand how Ayurvedic herbs work beautifully across all kinds of cough. Tulsi, the queen of herbs, fights infection, clears airways, and supports your natural immunity. Muleti, the sweet-tasting one, coats your throat and calms irritation, perfect for dryness or itch. Adulsa, a natural expectorant, helps loosen mucus, making it easier to breathe while your cough feels heavy or chesty. Together, these herbs balance kapha and pitta, the Ayurvedic energies behind mucus and throat heat, giving relief that's gentle yet complete. That's why an Ayurvedic formulation with 25 powerful herbs like Amrut Tulsi Cough Syrup works effectively for all cough types, dry, wet or allergic. It's alcohol-free, non-drowsy, completely Ayurvedic, safe for both adults and kids. So the next time you cough, don't just suppress it. Understand it. Let the nature do the healing with Amrut Tulsi Cough Syrup.